have to sneeze. Anyways, blue. Oh, excuse me. Hey there. Woo! So, that's how my face looks. Alright, for the eyes, again, exaggeration. I'm gonna sneeze. Alright, as you can tell, I sneezed like multiple times in a row. That was embarrassing. I'm having friends over. And then I'm having...
Que eu também amo. Eu já volto, eu vou espirrar. Saúde.
No, yeah, you're mistaken. You saw you were also so cute. I was like, okay.
Bless me.
Make me wonder what I laugh.
I'm making a video of this season.
What, the now?
Yeah. Make your mom sneeze there. I think that's me.
How do you do it? Wait. It doesn't have a colour on. Is it? Ah! That's on the front. I know. Is it this?
She did. Okay, and I'm about to sneeze because bubble dust got in my nose. Bubble dust? Okay.
Sorry. This is... Oh, that's a highlighter there. Oh. Sorry.
Thank you!
I think Sarah and I are gonna make a music video out of like Black and Yellow or something today.
Okay.
Ordered a grande caramel hot chocolate and a sneeze apparently. Woo!
It just holds like